So what do you mean by selector? I am going to come on that topic only. So to do that, I am going to create one more folder. ठीक है ना?
Can you explain this once more?
You can create the capital also. One second, I am giving you the more answer, more example, and you will get it. So I am creating the NGGC SECOND second. ठीक है ना? So I am creating one more component. Okay, component will again would be the same. It will be the name of the second component app second. ठीक है ना? Control C. I am going to this HTML and I am going to use this as a, ठीक है, and उसका जो HTML है उसके अंदर लिखते हैं Angular BATCH. ठीक है, and let's see that all files are saved.
So there are the guidelines. You can edit it.
ठीक है, what's happening? Whatever the HTML is there inside of that, it is copy pasting and adding here. ठीक है ना? Now his question is कि suppose I have used in this TS, I will use like the FIRST, both as the same name. ठीक है ना? अब let's see क्या होता है. It is the console error. The template parser. Make sure one component match on this element. Make sure that only one component selector can match a given element. ठीक है ना? मतलब two component के जो selector है, which cannot be duplicate. This is, you got it? Any question now? But my question is for you. What do you mean by the selector?
It's acting like a tag.
It is acting like tag. Okay, so it is not acting like a tag. So I am going to give you one more question. What is the CSS selector? Have you heard about CSS selector? What are they?
ID selector, tag selector.
Okay, what do you mean by tag selector?
We are selecting based on some tags and applying the.
Okay, so you got it. You understood what is selector, sir?
No, but this point I understand.
So now I am changing the topic and I am coming up to normal CSS file. CSS file has some selectors like the, and what are the selector? I am again going to HTML page. Okay, our whatever I have create example. So if I want to create some style, okay, it is very important to understand everyone. ठीक है ना? If I want to style ABC and I want to make that background color colon red, I don't need to create class. Wherever this ID is, it will automatically create the red color for this. ठीक है ना? Oh, right? Got it? So that is the selector. And how many type of selectors are there? ID selector. Okay, element selector. If I want to make this, so I can use the element selector. So I am going to use the color color equal to YLL yellow. ठीक है ना? And if you will go here and I will refresh that and I will click, automatically color got changed. Why? Because it is the used as a element selector. So this selector which I am talking about right now, it is nothing but the CSS selector. Okay, so whatever I can write, I have written. If I am going here in HTML5, आपको पता है ना selector कभी यूज किया होगा ना, स्टाइल कभी तो बनाई होगी एक हाथ क्लास वेब के ऊपर, यू हैव नेवर वर्क. ओके, सो एक्चुअली थोड़ा बहुत घर से ना CSS वगैरह पढ़ के आओ. इट्स नॉट द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन एंगुलर, बट टू बीइंग इन द योर एक्चुअल जॉब यू रिक्वायर दिस इफ यू वांट टू गो इनटू वेब डेवलपमेंट. बेसिक तो आपको आना ही चाहिए, दैट इज द बेसिक. ओके, बट माय लाइक div, when I say the element selector, we never use anything before this. When I say ID selector, we always use the hash. If I want to add some class, okay, I am going to use the class 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 equal to XYZ. Okay, so I have to use the which selector? Dot XYZ. Okay, and I am going to create the background color blue. I can write like this. Okay, okay, so what I have done mistake, now I have to use the I cannot keep this, change this ID. I have to keep this ID, sorry, my bad, because I have the showing the code JavaScript, I have to use that. So what I'm going to do is, I instead of keeping this, I'm removing this, and you see that refresh and show blue color is there. So that is the selected CSS selector. Okay, and this is nothing but is your CSS selector only. You can have here n number of selector. I am adding one selector which is called the dot my CLS. Okay, and if this file is first.component.ts. okay, and I am going here, sorry, on HTML, if I am using this with the p tag, okay, and I am putting the class CLS class equal to CLS, what it is going to do is, it will understand I have created the CSS selector called .cls. Wherever it will find the CSS selector in HTML, it is going to replace the inner HTML of that. So you will see the output of there. अभी क्या हो रहा है, more than one component match this element f first. I have not changed this f first to f second, SECOND. ठीक है ना, it has automatically come here. Why it has come here? क्योंकि it is understood it what it does, the Angular inside Angular check the all, like CSS is automatically applying, right? It is applying like this, it's check the selector and replace the inner HTML. ठीक है ना, दिखा ना, समझा ना? if नहीं समझा तो पूछ सकते हो, बार बार पूछ सकते हो.
Show me the code once.
Code इसमें हमने we have done nothing in the code. We have just added comma separated one more selector. It's automatically done by the Angular for us. ठीक है ना? I can add one more selector. You know what is this selector is? AD. This AD. You know when we use the in selector at
Input properties.
properties, right? If I am going to use the h1 AD like this, AD लिखा था ना यहाँ पे, AD, it will give me the output in AD selector also. ठीक है ना? So what it is going to do is select the anything and going to put this here. It is nothing but the CSS selector, totally null. I wanted to tell you the basic thing. Okay, and it's not necessary you write the element selector only. You can write by class, by property, by anything, but there is one twist here. Okay, what is the twist here? I am going to take one example and I am going to create one more selector. What is this selector is? ID selector, and I am using this before CLS. I am removing this all to show you. I'm before h1 I am using the div id equal to abc. Okay, and you'll see that it has not come. Why it has not come? Because Angular does not suppose the ID selector in this place. ठीक है ना? Which selector it does not support? So it is interview question. Which selector it does not support?